In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Hubspot Meetings tool. This is a fantastic way to streamline your scheduling process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to manage your meetings efficiently. Let's start by heading over to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can access your Hubspot account. For a quicker login process, you might want to choose the option to sign in with Google. This is particularly useful if you already have your Google account logged in, as it saves you the time of entering your credentials. Once you've clicked on this, select the Google account you want to use, and you're in. Now that you're logged in, navigate towards the Sales section. This is where we'll find the tools we need. Under the Sales menu, you'll spot the Meeting Scheduler. Click on it to access the Meetings Management dashboard. Here, you'll see options to manage your meetings. On the top right corner, you'll see an option to Create Scheduling Page. If you're looking to start fresh, this is where you create a new scheduling page tailored to your needs. But for today's demonstration, let's focus on editing an existing meeting, which is slightly different but equally important. Choose the meeting you want to modify, then click on Edit. This action opens up a new window with various settings that you can customize. First, decide on the type of meeting you're setting up. Is it a consultation, a demo, or maybe an internal check-in? Selecting the right meeting type ensures your attendees know what to expect. Next, you'll need to enter the internal name for your meeting. This helps you keep track of your different meetings. Following this, add an event title. This will be the official name seen by your invitees, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. Don't forget to add the location of your meeting. This could be a physical address for an in-person meeting or a link for a virtual one. Following the location, add a detailed description. This is the place to highlight the agenda and any important information your attendees should know beforehand. Now, it's time to troubleshoot. This feature lets you test your meeting setup. Choose a date and time to ensure everything is working as expected. Enter your first and last name along with your email address, and by clicking Confirm, you finalize your test setup. And that's it. You've successfully set up your HubSpot meeting tool. Feel free to explore other features within HubSpot to further optimize your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.